Hello. This video revolves around different minor tasks that anyone should learn in case they need to work on repairing goods, construction work, wood, and electrical work on their own without hiring professional services. Here are the details of every task. The video shows the application of liquid insulation for covering electrical damages and wire joints. The pipe patch, covered by either plastic or rubber jaws, is used to control the leakage of the pipe. The video shows a person using a drilling machine to suck and drain water through a pipe. Hand-driven manual chains and wire cutters enable an individual to cut the exact length accurately. The drilled bottle of paint on the brush is used for small paintwork and is an excellent alternative to spray paint. The video shows that a manual drill with the sharp-edged drill bit is used to pave the way for the working of the electric drill. Cutting using a drill in different patterns is done using different shaped molds to shape the cut according to your requirements. You can make a lost spray bottle, cap it with glue, and then make a small hole to give way to spraying material. The video showed you that you could adjust the small-sized drill bit in the large-sized chuck by using a ballpoint pipe. The video shows that the wire joints are also made using the drill, where you can swing the wires to make a strong spiral bond. The PVC connection pipe can be adjusted to drill chuck to open a nut where the drill cannot be directly applied. The double-pin wire connectors connect two wires, which is a safe and risk-free method. The video shows that to save floor marble from breaking, it would help if you coated the head of your hammer with black glue or charcoal. The video showed how a straw fork with a pedal could be used for digging the soil. The short cutter can make large circle cuts with a small adjustment, as seen in the video. videos showed a modern cutter with multiple jaws to perform different cutting and holding tasks. The sharp edges jaws help cut plastic pipes by rolling them around them and using force. The sharp wire is used to cut small pieces of wood and pipes. Fast speed moving cutter is shown to cut paper and cards. The digital thickness measuring gauge enables you to measure the thickness of small items. The nail-feeding empty chain belt is used to make multiple holes in wood. The wire stripper is used to remove wire insulation. The chain wood cutter simplifies the complex wood cutting and smoothing operation. Video shows that a small gap in the nut and bolt can sharpen the knife edge. Videos show how you can use grappling equipment to repair chains.